the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Iran expresses its preparation for all forms of scientific cooperation with Afghanistan. The establishment of advanced laboratories to assess the quality of mineral materials in the country. And a 6.5 magnitude earthquake strikes northeastern Japan. Welcome to the news package. It's Tuesday, the 18th of Jamad-ul-Thani 1447, the 18th of August 1404, and the 9th of December 2025. The news details. During his visit to Iran, Sheikh Nada Mohammad Nadim, Afghanistan's Minister of Higher Education, met with His Excellency Hossein Semai Sarraf, Iran's Minister of Higher Education, to discuss bilateral academic cooperation. In the meeting, Minister Nadim spoke about the exchange of professors between Afghan and Iranian universities, the expansion of scientific collaboration, and provided information on newly established master and doctoral program at Afghan universities, as well as recent developments in both religious and modern education. Based on the Minister of Higher Education, Mr. Hossein Semai Sarraf emphasized the religious and cultural commonalities between the two nations and expressed Iran's preparation to extend all forms of scientific cooperation with Afghanistan's Ministry of Higher Education. In the latest session of the Technical Committee of the Economic Commission, the proposal to establish advanced laboratories for assessing the quality of mineral materials in Kabul and other provinces was approved. The Economic Deputy of the Prime Minister's Office stated that 233 million Afghans have been allocated for laboratories, 15 million Afghans for construction, and 218 million Afghans for state-of-the-art equipment and incorporation modern technology. The news continuation. The Minister of Interior reports that 247 police personnel from provinces of Parvan, Kapisa, and Panjshir have graduated from Parvan Police Training Center after completing professional and ideological training. During the graduation ceremony, officials advised the new graduates to perform their duties with sincerity and to maintain good conduct with the public. And finally, a 7.5 magnitude earthquake struck the northeastern coast of Japan late on Monday, the 17th of August. In accordance with Reuters, the epicenter was located 80 kilometers off the coast of Aomori at the depth of 54 kilometers. As a result of the quake, approximately 90,000 residents evacuated their homes and several individuals sustained injuries. That's the end of our news program. For further informative materials, you could track Urooj on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.